And it's very interesting getting to understand like the background you're coming from in terms of the versatility of the arts that you went into and what you studied before you got to specialize in interiors. And to what extent has that influenced how you approach your design projects and the design briefs that you get from your clients?
I think the course that I did in interior architecture and design was one that taught you how to think outside the box. We were never given a brief to do an interior space. We were always given very abstract projects and abstract instructions, you know. So they really taught us to understand interplay of materials. What does opaque, transparent, translucent mean? How does a human interact with space? What is structure in a building? I mean, I remember my first thing that I did on my first day of university. It was winter, it was cold, we were all asked to go downstairs, walk outside the building and clap the rhythm of the building. And here I am enrolled in an interior design course, you know, and it just really made me open my mind to expressing things differently, to listening a little bit more acutely, to reading between the lines, to finding the magic in something unexpected, if you know what I mean.